Hey, welcome back to this continuous segment of the last one. If by any chance you missed that one, so make sure you go back and watch it completely to understand how we build up on base sketches up to this level. And now we are ready to continue with it. As you have seen different kind of decorations above icing in real, let's try some simple ones. Like small berries on top, and for that we are using here a hard round brush. Again, it is a pressure size brush, and switch it to any color of your choice. Make sure opacity is 100% and use the brush to paint a berry size toppings here and there. You can use a new layer or even paint on the same layer, it's up to you. See how simple yet decorative it is looking. Now make another layer for another cake here, the second one. I think I'm going to make an edible rose, and for that use same brush with similar properties and make a shape of petal like this. Switch to another color, keep on painting and adding different petals to that same layer. I'm not changing layer, I'm changing color and painting on that same layer. And you can see how our rose is getting into shape. You can add leaves in a similar way using green color. So it's quite nice. Now it's time for the third, that is a strawberry. Make a shape using the brush tool. Apply the overlapping elements, the colors and everything over here. For next, I am getting creative to apply a chocolate loaf kind of thing. Let's try and apply some textures to it. All textures that I am adding here is just by using brush tool. That's too with the same single brush tool with same properties, just I am playing with the colors and you can see how rich it's started to look. It's quite done. For this next one, let's put some shiny shimmery edibles. You can use multiple colors and apply it in different shapes. I'm using a simple long one stroke kind of shape and obviously different colors and different sizes to make it look more exciting and appealing. Isn't these variations and explorations are exciting? I hope you pour your creativity too into creating these mini artworks.